Number 1. Blink Outdoor for Floodlight Camera. Illuminate your home with Blink Outdoor for Floodlight Camera featuring 700 lumens of motion-triggered LED lighting, HD live view, wire-free install, and real-time alerts for your peace of mind. See and speak from the Blink app. Experience 1080p HD live view, infrared night vision, and crisp two-way audio. Number 2. Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen, Cameras Wired Floodlight Camera. Help protect your home inside and out with Blink Outdoor 4, Wired Floodlight Camera, and Video Doorbell. See and speak from the Blink app. Experience 1080p HD live view, infrared night vision, and crisp two-way audio. 2-year battery life. Set up yourself in minutes and get up to 2 years of power on your Outdoor 4 cameras and Video Doorbell with the included AA lithium batteries. Number 3. Floodlight Mount Accessory for Blink Outdoor Camera 3rd Gen with 2-year battery life. Blink Floodlight works with Outdoor, sold separately, to deliver a wire-free, HD Smart Security LED floodlight camera with up to 2 years of battery life. Light up the night, get 700 lumens of motion-triggered, high-quality LED lights. Use with Blink Outdoor, sold separately, to trigger the lights and receive notifications to your smartphone when motion is detected. Number 4. Blink Mini 2, newest model, plug-in smart security camera. Mini 2 is our 2nd generation plug-in smart security camera that helps you stay connected to what's happening in your home, right from your smartphone. See and speak from the Blink app. Experience 1080p HD live view, night view in color with a built-in spotlight, a wider field of view, and crisp two-way audio. Stream live video continuously for up to 90 minutes with a Blink subscription plan, sold separately. Number 5. Blink Outdoor for Sync Module XR, wire-free smart security camera. Outdoor 4 is Blink's 4th generation wire-free smart security camera that helps you protect your home inside and out right from your smartphone. Blink Sync Module XR is the first system hub to extend the range of your Blink Outdoor for wire-free smart security cameras so you can see what's happening around your entire property with ease. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.